Hi everyone, so today I'll be going through another video. So today this video will be AI demo recording. So instead of clinic niche that I did last time, this I'll be doing for home improvement niche. So home improvement niche means things like home services, home cleaning, pest control, or just any kind of home services or home improvement niches. So today I'll be diving into home improvement niches. I'll be building an AI demo recording for the home improvement niche. So I'll be going through the whole workflow from the start all the way to the end to get a fully built AI demo recording that is functional as well as production ready for a home improvement niche. So here I am in the Vapi page. So inside this Vapi page, if you do not know, Vapi is basically a voice agent platform that you can build any kind of voice agents that you want. So I already created an assistant, as you can see from the first one, under the home services niche, and I name it as me. So the agent name will be called me, and I'll just roughly go through briefly all the kind of functions that I can put in. So the first one will be provider. Provider usually keep it the same as OpenAI, and then the model will be also the same as GPT-4o, same like how they usually suggest it to me. For the first message mode, you can actually set it as assistant speaks first or assistant wait for the user, but usually I also just set it as the same as just assistant speaks first. So the first message will just be hello, this is May from Happy Home Cleaning, which is part of our home services niche. How may I help you today? So the next one, I'll have the system prompt where I need to type in all the prompts that I want the agent to do or to behave like. So using this, I'll just go to ChatGPT because I will create a prompt from ChatGPT itself. So I can just charge ChatGPT. Be copy and paste it into voice agent platform. It should describe everything, how the agent behaves. When the agent were to get a call from a prospect that requires his house to be clean, detailed description, giving anything else, as well as make it easier for the AI to grasp the info, make it in point form. So I just asked the agent to create a system prompt for home cleaning niche and to be copy pasted into a voice agent platform, make it less than 500 words, and should describe how the agent behaves when the agent were to get a call from a prospect that requires his or her house to be clean, which is part of home services, which is requires cleaning, so home cleaning, and give a detailed description, not leaving anything out, and make it easier for the AI to grasp the info, so make it everything in point form. You represent the home cleaning service industry professionally, and your role is AI voice to interact with people. so I already created a system prompt for using ChatGPT. So this is how you create the final 500 word system prompt. So they asked me a few clarifying questions first before they actually output everything, so I'll just answer all of them now. Target audience would be homeowners, because we are targeting homeowners that requires the house to be clean. Then tone and personality would be the lead intake details can just be simple, so you just require the name, the phone number, and as well as the email address of the prospect. Then allow and not allowed should the agent provide pricing estimates. Yes, the agent can provide pricing estimates. Booking rules to book on calendar. Call out as a no offer. For handling edge cases, transfer call to a human. If you do not know anything or is unsure, please transfer. So I've already input all the clarifying questions that they asked me, so now I'll just wait for them to come up with a finalized prompt for me. So here is the finalized prompt that they have. So I can just copy and paste all of this into Vapi itself. So system prompt will be a home cleaning voice agent. So I'll just copy the whole thing. Yep, so I have everything inside the system prompt already, so I can just go on. Select files will only be, so as I can show you, I already inputted the system prompt already. Yes, everything that the agent is supposed to behave, the communication style, handling edge cases. Obviously the information can be better put into a much neater format, but most of the information are already there, and the agent Vapi itself will be able to catch whatever information that we input into the system. So moving on, we have the files. So for files wise, we do not have any files, but if let's say you do have any files, let's say a company knowledge base, or let's say company information, or information that you wish the agent would pick out, then you can just add it in here under the files. So moving on, we have the max tokens, so you can just leave it as per normal. The normal setting that they usually put is usually 250, you can just leave it as that. Temperature will be, if let's say, as you can see, with yourself, the temperature is used to control randomness, so higher will mean more random. So you just keep it to normal at 0.5, will do. So voice configuration, we have Vapi, which is the web. They have, inside Vapi there's different voices, so you can just use any voice that suits whatever human that you wish to put inside. So it can be any kind of voice that you prefer. Yeah, so the background sound, you can actually have different voices. different backgrounds. So I'll just put office background so that it doesn't seem like it is an agent talking. It will seem like it is a human talking, and then the background sound is an office, so it seems like it's talking in an office setting. So next one I have the transcriber. So we don't use transcriber. I'll usually just keep it as per normal, which is a provider which is DeepGram. Moving on, we have the tools. So tools is a more advanced kind. So for tools, if let's say you want the agent to get information from somewhere else, so let's say you want the agent to get calendar bookings or calendar availability, that's where you will use tools. But if you want to just keep it simple, then you don't really need to touch tools as well. So tools is just basically, if let's say you want to get information from somewhere, so you connect it to either make.com or GoILevel to get the information. So next one, have predefined functions. Don't really touch it. This is only applicable if let's say you have inbound voice agent and you want to put a phone number, which is for, let's say you want to transfer to a human or human in the loop. That's where you have a phone number for them to dial in to the phone, to the actual human to take up the calls for, let's say, immediate or let's say emergency cases. So custom functions also don't touch. Summary is, you can see from it, you can just say you're an expert note taker, you'll be given a transcribe of a call, summarized into 3 sentences. Usually I do not touch it, we just keep it as the same. Success evaluation, as you can see, is also, it will basically most of the stuff that is inside here, usually they will give you a brief details about what it will do. So if you want, you can just type in inside this checkbox. Structured data also is similar. Privacy, if let's say you're in a clinic, so and you don't want any calls or recordings to be saved, then you'll use HIPAA compliance. So using HIPAA compliance will just means that your recordings will not be saved at all. Moving on, we have speaking plan where we do not touch at all. Voicemail is off, so let's say you want the Vapi to use AI for detection, then you can use voicemail. All this is usually not that important, you can just keep it as per normal. And we have widgets, so if let's say you have a website and you want this Vapi agent to be on the website itself, then you will use this widget. So this widget will appear on like the bottom right corner, so it's similar like this docs and support widget. Yeah, so instead of this, it will be a Vapi widget they can paste into a website, and they can actually talk to the Vapi itself. Let's say they want to know more information or just want to test the agent itself, you can put the widget here. Some page structure output, so you don't really touch that. Okay, so that's it. I'll just save the agent. Compare. Close message. Yes. Next. New structure output. Publish. So I'm now currently publishing this voice agent. So we'll see how it goes, and we'll see whether it's able to output the necessary details that I asked the agent to create. So instead of using a assistant to talk to the assistant itself, I'll just use the chat function. So you can just type in. Clean house. So they ask my full name, so I'll just say my name is Henry. My email address is Henry. So thank you for the email. May I have your phone number as well? So I'll just put 87968976. Got it. Now could you tell me a little bit more about what type of cleaning you're looking for? So I'll just say maybe like deep cleaning. Perfect. Deep cleaning is a great choice for a thorough top to bottom. Plus a few more details. How many bedrooms and bathrooms are in your home? I have 3 bedrooms. And Thank you, Henry, for deep cleaning of a home with 3 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. You can provide a price estimate. The typical ranges based on the size and scope, but to give you a better idea with generally. Now let's check on the availability. Could you please let me know your preferred date? So this insert pricing info here would usually be dependent on the type of home cleaning you're offering. So obviously different companies, they have different prices for their cleaning services. So let's say you have a particular pricing info, you can just put inside the knowledge base, or you can just put inside the system prompt itself. Then it will make use of the information there to provide the details to the prospect itself. So moving on, we have to check on the availability. So I'll just say in June. Particular time, shipping. Great, let me check our schedule for 3 PM on June 18. Please pause to check availability. Looks like we have availability on June 18 at 3 PM for deep cleaning. The company's booking query also share the address. 1, 2, 3. So I put in my address. My address is 123 New Street. So they send me a confirmation booking as well. So thank you, Henry, to confirm his booking. Service will be deep cleaning. Home size 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom. Address is 123 New Street. And the date and time will be June 18 at 3 PM. Is there anything else you'd like us to know? What do you guys upload? So you can just ask them some FAQ questions. We operate in the company service area, so usually this kind of thing is manually filled in by your company. If let's say a home services company, you usually have a few information about your operating hours, where you guys operate, etc. So all this information just puts in a knowledge base, and they will catch all this information. So it's essentially how recording for a home services niche would look like. I've already created a sample home services niche for the home services. So basically, let's say you want to know more information, or you want to know how you can integrate this into existing or production ready tool into your home service niche, or whatever niche that you are in, be it pest control, home cleaning, or any kind of services that you're offering, and you require tools like this, you can feel free to drop in the comments, and I'll be more than happy to assist you with it. So this is just a sample recording, a demo recording for the home services niche. For all those that are inside the home services niche, this might be something that is relevant, or something that could be beneficial to your company as well. That's all I have. Hope you have a good hope you enjoy this video, this short demo recording of how you build a voice agent using Vapi. I've already gone through the whole workflow of how everything looks like, as well as the prompts and all. So I hope you have a better understanding of how an AI voice agent will work in a home services niche, such as helping you to book appointments, helping you to assist with all the FAQs questions, asking for the calendar availability, the operating hours, where you guys operate, as well as simple questions like your clinic information. So this is a voice agent that can help you do all the regular stuff that an actual human will do for you as well, but just that this AI voice agent will do it for you. And the best thing is that it can work 24/7 for your business as well. If you'd like to learn more on how to build voice agent, or you want a more complex guide on how to build using Vapi itself, do drop down in the comments, and I can create a further follow-up video for you as well. With that said, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you back in another video. That's all I have.